Hi, my name is Josh Proctor, General Manager with America's Home Place in the Charleston office. Today I'd like to talk about an important question, which is why do customers say that we make building easy? I think there's really two fundamentals to giving the customer a good experience. We talk about it as a journey here at America's Home Place, and I think there's two things. One of those is trust, building trust. That might be the intangible of the whole project. We are trying to constantly make deposits, emotional deposits to customers through empathy. Customers have their own lives aside from building a house. They are going through divorces, marriages, having children, real lives. And so we're trying to be concerned about their lives, but also just their interests and the concerns they have concerning the construction. When they feel there's a concern or there's a problem, we want them to know that that's going to be an urgent thing for us, and that we have concern for it as well. Honesty, we want to be honest and transparent with our clients, and give even bad news quickly. In construction, we are imperfect. It's an imperfect product, imperfect people, and so sometimes things go wrong. And when that happens, we want to be able to tell the customer, hey, this X, Y, and Z has happened. We are on top of it. And that honesty and transparency is really important to us because it will happen during construction from time to time. So empathy, honesty, those are really important in terms of building trust with our clients. Trust and managing expectations are the foundation for a good experience and journey. Again, this is Josh Proctor, General Manager at America's Home Place Charleston.